Hello children, good morning to you all. I'm going to detail the chapter 5 Footprints Without Feet from your book Footprints Without Feet. This is the rest part of the chapter 5. See, in the earlier two videos I have already detailed page number 26, 27 and half of 28. In this video too, I am going to detail half of page number 28 and page number 29. Now let's see children, I am beginning from the paragraph satisfied that her guest was an eccentric scientist. So let's see that. Here, what do you mean by eccentric children? Eccentric meaning unconventional, slightly strange, intelligent, brainy. So, Griffin was an eccentric scientist, brainy scientist. So, the landlord's wife, Mrs. Hall, accepted that her new guest was a strange scientist and was ready to excuse his temper, his mood, and habits as he had paid her in advance. So, Mrs. Hall, the owner of the house, had excused all the temper and habits of Griffin, that scientist. You know, children, why? Because Griffin has already paid her advance. Okay, advance payment. Then the time came when his money was over, Griffin's money was over, and he had no ready cash available for further payment at the inn, at that for that public house. Now what he has to do? So Griffin had to pretend, he has to take a plea, he has to pretend that he was waiting for a check which could arrive at any moment. After that, then something really strange happened. You know, children, what a strange happened? It's given in the next paragraph. Let's see. The clergyman and his wife were awakened. They got up by some noises in their study room. What do you mean by clergyman, children? Clergyman is a male priest, especially of the Christian one. Okay, or he may be a male priest or like some minister, religious leader. Here we can say the main owner of the house. So the main owner of the house, the male priest, the clergyman and his wife, both of them got up because they heard some noises, some strange noises in their study room. When they were coming downstairs, they could hear the sound of money. For sound of money, the word is given chink of money. Chink meaning sound. So they heard the sound of money being taken from the clergyman's desk. The clergyman held a metal rod. The word it is given poker. You can see the word given poker. Poker means a metal rod used for either shaking, stirring or for opening fire, etc. So he took a strong metal rod in his hand, grasped meaning hold tightly, held tightly, held firmly in his hand and threw the door open. You can see flunge the door open. Flunge meaning verb first is flinge, F-L-I-N-G, and past tense is flunge, threw. So the clergyman threw the door open, and as soon as he opened the door, he said, "Surrender." As clergyman thought he had caught the thief, but there was nobody. When he threw the door open, he told to surrender, expecting that there might be thief or he had caught the thief, but there was nobody. To their surprise, next paragraph children, then to his amazement, amazement meaning surprise. To their surprise, they could not see anyone. They looked under the desk, behind the curtains, and also even up the chimney. Chimney It is the outlet of smoke from the kitchen. You can have seen chimneys through which the smoke releases, goes out or lets out from the kitchen. So they saw even up the chimney too, but the person was nowhere to be seen. Nothing was seen anywhere else. Yet the desk had been opened and the housekeeping money was missing. It was gone. Then the clergyman kept on saying, he kept repeating, extraordinary affair, the whole day. Why did he say extraordinary affair? Because he was shocked by that incident. He was extremely shocked by the incident, for which he said, extraordinary work has been done. The money was missing, and this was unbelievable. But the things that had happened with Mrs. Hall's furniture were much more fascinating. See, children, not only the money was missing, but something other extra thing also happened. Something very fascinating incident happened. And you know what was that? Mrs. Hall and her husband woke up very early and were surprised as the door of the guest room was open. Actually, it used to remain shut and locked, but that day the door was open. Usually, his room's door remained closed and locked. He used to get very angry. For the word angry, it is given furious. What do you mean by furious? Furious meaning extremely angry. So, the clergyman used to get very angry if anyone, the scientist used to get angry, grieving, because he was busy with his experiments inside the room. He used to close his room and did everything. So he used to get furious, angry if anyone tried entering his room. But that day it was an opportunity for clergyman and Mrs. Hall when they saw the door was open. So they got an opportunity. And Mrs. Hall did not want to miss that opportunity. She also became excited. She also wanted to know what was happening inside the room, because that day the door was opened. So she could not resist herself, control herself, stop herself, and she doesn't want to miss the opportunity. So both of them decided to investigate. Both clergyman and his wife decided to examine. When they saw that nobody was inside the room, the door was open and nobody was found inside the room. His bed sheets, Griffin's bed sheets were cold, which showed that he must have been up for a while, and also all the bandages that he used to tie, Griffin used to tie around his face, were also lying around the room. Suddenly, what happened, you know, children? Mrs. Hall heard a sniff. Somebody did a sniff. Sniff meaning drew up air audibly through the nose to detect smell. So Mrs. Hall heard a sniff sound close to her ear, and Griffin's hat that was lying on the bedpost. Bedpost means the stand that was attached to the bed, and the hat was hanging on the post, on the bed post. That hat plunged through towards Mrs. Hall and hit her on her face. Dashed meaning hit her on her face. Not only that, then the chair in the room dashed. It hit itself, hitting Mrs. Hall in her legs. As they got scared, both of them got scared. What all unnatural incidents were happening? These were all awkward occurrences. Strange events were taking place in their room, like missing of the money. Secondly, the hat hit Mrs. Hall. Not only that, Mrs. Hall and her husband were very much scared, and they were going out of the room when the chair closed the door from back, and suddenly a sound of opening the door and locking were heard. Somebody slamming, somebody opening the door and locking were heard. This terrorized. You can see the word given. Terrorized. You can see the word given, hysterics. What do you mean by hysteric, children? Hysteric meaning a wildly emotional reaction, exaggerated reaction. Because Mrs. Hall saw all these strange events, she was in hysterics. She was wildly reacted. She was emotionally reacting to that. She reacted. She was terrorized. This terrorized Mrs. Hall, and she was about to fall down from the stairs. But she was convinced, she was confirmed of the thought that there were spirits in her inn's room, in her public house, in her pub. Some spirits might be there which might be wandering here and there and causing all these strange events to occur, and that the stranger has caused this to happen. So Mrs. Hall felt that all these strange events were occurring or happening just because of the stranger. The stranger here, Griffin, the scientist, had caused all this to happen. Now coming to the next line here, my poor mother. See, Mrs. Hall bemoaned, she was mourning. Mourning means make a long, low sound expressing physical or mental suffering. She expressed her mental suffering because she was very much attached with the chair. That chair belonged to her mother. She mourned that her mother used to sit in the chair which hit her legs, and thought that how could a chair rise up? How could a chair rise up against her? It was unbelievable. Then the neighbors of Mrs. Hall thought that it was witchcraft. You can see the word given, witchcraft. Witchcraft meaning the practice of magic. Okay, the house was haunted, visited by spirits. The house was haunted, visited by spirits. Okay, the practice of magic, spell, charm, etc., which had caused such a thing to happen. So now all the neighbors, everybody believed that the house was visited by, haunted by some spirits. But Mrs. Hall felt that it was happening just because of that a stranger who had come to stay in their house. So children, up to this only. Next will be pages 30 and 31. So thank you all children. Bye to you all. It will be continued in the next video.